Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Fabio and today I'll be taking you through a nice slow sequence to open the hips. So that's gonna be our main focus of today. In today's class, we'll be doing a lot of floor work so you can make yourself nice and comfortable. And let's begin together. Today we'll be starting laying down on our back, hugging the knees into the chest, taking a few gentle rocks side to side just to loosen up our spine and relax. Begin today's practice by focusing on the breath and start making big circles with your legs going in the direction that you like the most. You can hold on to your knees, go at the speed that you prefer, trying to keep the whole spine connected to the ground. Focus on what's happening in your hip joint and then reverse the circle, reverse your direction. Again, focusing on the breath and focusing on releasing as best as you can the muscles around your hips. Release the knees and hold on to your big toes, opening the legs into happy baby pose. And here again you can rock gently side to side just to relax the low back a little more. And again try to maintain the sacrum connected to the ground. Once you're happy with that, you can find your stillness for a few more deep breaths. Focusing on lengthening through the spine as you release your hips even more. Relax here, listen to your thoughts, and deepen your breath even more. Now hold on to the outside of your feet and join the sole of the feet together into a supine Baddha Konasana. Again, you can stay still here or gently rock side to side a few times just to find a bit more ease. Remember to relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and allow the muscles to release when they're ready. You want to find that sweet spot of steadiness and ease into the pose. When you're ready, you can rock up to a nice seated position in Baddha Konasana, lengthen your spine, and then fold forward. You can take as many rocks as you need to get there. Here you have a couple of options. You can hold on to your feet or extend your arms forward. So play around with that, see what works best for you. This is a great pose to open the hips. So focus on the breath. Now hold on to your feet and find a little bit more length in your spine as you come up into a seated position. We'll be extending our right leg out to the side and bring the left heel very close to your pubic bone. Inhale as you extend your arm up, your left arm up, and then exhale, side bending towards your right leg. So here you can look up towards your palm, or if your neck is a bit tight, you can look down towards your foot. So again, this is your personal practice, see what works for your body. You want to find that good stretch on the side of your body. And you can use your breath here to create even more space in between your ribs. Exhale deeply, coming back to center, and then twist towards the right side and fold towards that leg. If you want a deeper stretch, if you're looking for that deeper stretch, then you can flex the right foot and lengthen the spine even more. So bring the gaze towards your big toe, and you can help that flexion by using the right hand. So you can pull the toes even more towards you. You want to keep both sit bones firmly grounded. So you want to feel that nice rooting down sensation. You can release whenever you're ready, rolling your spine up and twisting towards the opposite direction, towards the left side, and folding over towards that knee. Now this can be a little bit of a deeper stretch for some of us, so make sure you breathe. Don't hold the breath and don't push it too hard. Now to keep the right side a little bit more grounded, you can use the right hand pressing on the thigh, and that's gonna help you a little more. Roll up whenever you're ready. And taking all the time you need, we're going to switch sides so you can extend the left leg out to the side and bring the right heel close to your pubic bone. Inhale to reach up with your right hand and exhale to side bend to the left side. Once again, here you have the option of looking up towards your palm, or you can look down towards the floor, depending on how your neck is feeling today. The important part here is to keep both sit bones rooted down and keep the breath flowing. Come back to center, twist to the left side, flex that foot, and then exhale to fold forward. Keep the gaze towards your toes and flex the foot. Even more if you'd like, by holding on to the toes with your hand. Remember to keep both sit bones grounded and keep the breath flowing. Whenever you're ready, you can roll up, twist towards the right side, and then slowly, with ease, fold towards that leg. Now, one side can be completely different than the other, so it's extremely important that you listen to your body. Over time, both sides will be a bit more even. Again, here I'm using the left hand to press on the left thigh to keep a little bit more groundedness in my body. Roll up whenever you're ready and come out of the pose. So this time we'll be extending both legs out to the side. Make sure your sit bones are grounded. You can push your hips forward a little more and flex your feet if you're looking for a deeper stretch. We're going to start moving to the right and to the left. You can bring the hands on the mat or on your hips, depending on how you feel right now. And just keep that movement going. Here we're looking to increase the range of motion every time we switch sides. After coming back to center, take a deep inhalation to lift the left arm up and then exhale to side bend to the right. Keep both feet flexed and both sit bones firmly grounded. Breathe here, looking for that nice side stretch to create more space in the body. Come back to center and then side bend to the other side. Remember, our right and left side can be completely different. So work with your breath and with your mind to balance it out. Now come back to center and you can decide if you want to open your legs a little wider or decrease the stretch. Slowly we're gonna walk our hands forward, maybe coming down on our forearms and maybe bringing the forehead on our forearms as well. So see how you feel here. Some of us may be fully flat on the floor. If that's your case, you can reach your arms forward. For today, I'm staying here and working towards balancing more the right and the left side. Flex your feet and point them up towards the ceiling. You can also join the palms together Inhale, lengthen the spine more, connecting to your core. So instead of rounding the back, you want to find a little bit more length. Slowly come out when you are ready. Now we'll be closing the legs, taking all the time you need. You can shake them off or make any movement that feels good for you. Then lean back, coming down on your forearms. Bend your legs and rock them to the right and to the left a few times, following the pace that you prefer the most. This is just to loosen up the muscles around the hips and the low back that may have accumulated some tension. When you're ready, you can come down to the floor. Open the knees wide, bringing the sole of your feet together, and relax here. You can give a nice massage to your legs or press the thighs down using your palms. As you breathe, try to focus on the lumbar spine especially. You don't want it to be completely arched. Instead, you want to find a natural length of your spine. Breathe deeply, filling in the chest and the belly. And relax here for as long as you'd like. When you're ready to come out of it, you can join your hands at the heart and then bring them up towards your eyebrows to seal this practice with mindfulness. You can release whenever you'd like, and I want to thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'll see you all next time.